Lily's birthday. On a golden morning, with the sea gently lapping at the shore, spirited 16-year-old Lily was bustling with preparations for her birthday celebration on the beach. The sandy shore had been transformed into a vibrant paradise, adorned with strings of twinkling lights strung between palm trees. Beneath these, colorful bean bags and hammocks invited relaxation, while a central canopy, decked out in shades of aquamarine and coral, stood proudly, mirroring the hues of the sea and sky. As her friends arrived, they were captivated by the enchanting scene. "Lily, this is absolutely magical!" exclaimed Sarah, her eyes aglow with delight. Lily's heart swelled with joy as she replied, "I wanted to create something unforgettable for us. I'm so glad you like it." The day unfolded with a series of engaging activities: beach volleyball, sand castle contests, and surf lessons, all set against the backdrop of a lively band, creating the perfect ambience for fun. In the midst of a spirited volleyball game, Alex's shout, "Team Lily for the win!" rang out as they scored a point, sparking laughter and enthusiastic high fives. As the sun dipped lower, bathing the beach in a golden glow, the group gathered around a cozy bonfire, taking turns to share cherished memories with Lily. "Remember the time Lily tried to bake cookies and almost set the kitchen on fire?" shared Emma, leading to a chorus of laughter. "Yeah, but she's also the one who's always there for us, no matter what," added Jake, causing Lily to blush with gratitude. Then came the moment for the birthday cake, a breathtaking three-tiered masterpiece adorned with edible seashells and pearls. "This cake is almost too beautiful to eat!" exclaimed Lily in awe. "Go on, make a wish!" urged her friends. As she blew out the candles, the group erupted into a heartfelt rendition of Happy Birthday. The evening unfolded with stories, laughter, and the warmth of friendship around the fire. As the night drew to a close, Lily felt wrapped in a cocoon of love and happiness. "This was the best birthday ever. Thank you all for making it so special," she said, her voice tinged with emotion. Her 16th birthday at the beach was more than a celebration. It was a rich tapestry of joyful moments and enduring friendships, all set against the tranquil backdrop of the sea, a day Lily would cherish in her heart forever.